Come on, horsey. Yay, horsey. Yay.
22.919, Alexa K, you're up.
It's going to be bending forward. Got to start it at the end of the diamond.
Thanks. You guys, what are you making? A horseshoe or something?
I'm actually trying, well, let's see. People have been playing.
Oh, look at
Why? That's clover honey, isn't it? Oh, you're not the clover wax.
you. It might be. Yeah.
It smells like
Oh,
clover.
that's pretty cool.
Yeah, I was talking to a guy yesterday at the sale. And
I have found cat in her natural habitat. Aw, hi, horsey. Another one. This one's got dreads. More horsies, yay. God, it's probably been close to 20 years since I ever last one-on-one. I've rode in a camel more recently than I have a horse. Terrible. Some really cool wood carvings. Let's see, $75 for that. What else? $350 for that. Holy crap. $220. Excuse me. Oh, horsey. Really cool. I have to go into Cedar Point so often. These kind of rides just disappoint. It's like, oh wow, you're like 20 feet off the ground. I'm just being 220 feet off the ground. Terrible. Cow. Big cow. Another cow. Lots of cows in here. Oh, look at the moo moo. Lots of cows. More cows. More cows. Do you see what I see? Aww. The one on the left looks delicious. Oh, excuse me. A little bigger. Really big moo-moos.
Yes.
Lots of cows.
In fourth
Look at the
place,
bunnies.
Asia Lingage. In third place,
You're so
Catherine
fluffy.
Tucker. In second place, Elizabeth Baker. And
I love stupid stuff like this. And I know how it works. There's a thing in the middle, but it still looks cool. And then it feeds up through the pipe and comes back out. You got Foreigner performing here, I guess, tonight. Guess they're warming up or something, or make sure the sound sounds right. Pretty cool. Almost, no, they're gonna come back down. They're gonna make it over. Nope. Now they got it. They had somewhere under that people shearing the lambs already. Let's see, whatever. Nice. And as you see here, remember the Pigros family. Oh, that one looks delicious. A lot of bacon off of that one, right, GTG? Aw, sleeping. Oh, lamb being sheared. Piggies. Llamas. No touchy. The joy of llamas. Ah, chicken. There's lots of chickens in here. Someone's getting noisy. I don't think any turkeys in here. This is a poultry area, so they gotta have turkeys, right? Turkeys count as poultry. Ducks. Quack quack. Lots of ducks. And more bunnies. Hi, bunnies. Look at all the Cleos. Oh, there's a chonker. He's a big one.